today we are going to do another route, obviously. This one is called Camin Encantau, which in the local dialect means charmed path. So let's go. Just arrived to the parking lot where we left the car, and we are greeted with the first sculpture that you see just right behind me. As we keep following the path, we will see different sculptures representing different characters of the Asturian mythology. So let's continue the journey and we will show you all of them.
So these are the signs that you have to follow along the journey so you don't get lost.
Well, this is a very nice route to do with children, because as you go along you see figures of different characters in the mythology of Asturias, which will be delightful for children. And each one of those figures have a text that describes a little bit the figure and what it does. And so I can tell you that if you go with children and do this route, they will enjoy it a lot. So what I'm going to do in this occasion is I'm going to provide you with a translated version into English, obviously, of the text that you see next to each of those figures, hoping that you enjoy it. Sumicio. They say I don't exist, but when something disappears, they all remember me. Look carefully in your pockets before you continue your journey. I do not accept complaints. Also, I don't exist, right? Not quite sure what that is, but seems quite interesting. Well, now we see El Hombre del Saco, which is Sack Man. And if you read the text, what it says is, "Did I frighten you? No, of course not. During the daytime you are all very brave. Not even the Sackman you're afraid of. But it is easy to get lost in those forests, and I am not the scariest thing you can find here. El Patariku. I am the Patariku. I only have one eye, but I have been keeping an eye on you since you arrived. People say I eat children, but this is not true. I only do it on my birthday. Can you guess what day is today? El Diaño Burlón. I am the Diaño Burlón, and you will never capture me. Not even the Romans could, and they were clever, not like you. I can shapeshift and fool you to make you do my bidding. Oh my, how silly are humans. El Nuberu. I am the Nuberu. I command the rain and the winds. Lightning is my whip, and the thunder my voice. Do you want to finish your journey dry? Respect nature, or I will get cross with you. El Segador. Here, even sites are alive. If you don't take care of them, they will stop helping you. El Cuélebre. I am the Cuélebre, the winged snake, guardian of treasures and princesses. Do you want to take the treasure or the princess? You can try, but I have already eaten many brave people like you in the last 3,000 years. La lavandera. Washerwoman. If you see me, bad news will not take too long to arrive. Today I will be good, but if you hear me singing again while I wash clothes, you better start to run. El Busgosu. I am the Busgosu, master and lord of the forests. I am as old as the moss and cunning as the fox. I scare hunters wanting to kill the creatures living here, and if you get lost, I will help you to get out of the forest. If you behave with the forest, that is. Did you? La Manona, the big hand. Stop those who disrespect nature and its laws. Continue their journey those who still believe in the occult and magic creatures. We reached the end of the journey where we get the car and go back home. It's been a real pleasure to having you around. I hope you enjoy the content, and if you do, please do not forget to subscribe. And we hope that life is giving you plenty of reasons to smile, and if it doesn't, just keep fighting, as it is a matter of time. All the best, and see you next one. This is the artist that did the sculptures, is Pedro Bueno.